Hello, my name is Johanna Lilja. I'm the president of the National Group of Finland. I've been an active AIPPI member already for some 15 years and have very fond memories on both the international and local AIPP arena in Finland. The Finnish AIPPI group has actually a very long and active history. In the beginning, in the 70s, it was operated through a sister organization, but as of the late 90s, AIPPI has been an independent non-profit organization in Finland. The Finnish members have always been very active, also on the international arena, and each year we are represented by a big delegation in comparison to the size of our markets. Currently, we have some 150 members in Finland, consisting of attorneys at law, patent and trademark attorneys, in-house counsels and IP specialists, judges, patent office representatives, and representatives from various industry organizations. Our board consists of 10 members, and their background similarly represents or reflects all of these different member groups to ensure diversity in our operations and in our decision making. AIPP Finland is famous for its international symposia, which we have traditionally been arranging every 3 years. In addition to Helsinki, we have gathered also in more exotic places, such as Lapland during the wintertime, but also on the ferry that travels between Helsinki and Stockholm. The latter symposium was arranged in cooperation with the Swedish group. One of the aims of the Finnish group actually is to increase the cooperation in the Nordic region, which the new normal seems to make even easier and seems to make more sense to arrange webinars and such. The Nordic countries have very similar IP laws, and due to pan-Nordic legislative work in the 60s, our legal systems in the IP are very similar, and our legal culture is also otherwise similar. So cooperation in this area is very fruitful. However, AIPP Finland has also very much enjoyed the more international cooperation, even so much that we volunteered to arrange the International Exco in Helsinki in 2013, for which we received excellent feedback. Year 2020 was very different for AIPPI, also in Finland. We were supposed to have a 2-day symposium in Helsinki in May on AI and data topics, but that symposium was, however, cancelled already in March. Our board quickly decided to start offering more webinars free of charge to our members to ensure that we can give as much value and content to our members as possible. However, we also adopted a bring a friend concept to introduce AIPPI's work also to non-members. We have had quite active participation in our online meetings during the past year on, for example, employee inventions in globally operating companies, and more recently on a pharma patent topic focusing on both SPCs and on COVID vaccines, and had a speaker from a pharmaceutical company as well. And the recent standing committee paper on the TRIPS waiver was also introduced in that webinar. We are happy to have several members in most of the standing committees as well. So we are able to deliver messages both to the international AIPPI, but also back to Finland. And our members have also been actively participating in congresses as speakers. In last year's online congress, one of our colleagues was the chairperson for the patent topic. The president of the Finnish Market Court participated in the bifurcation panel session, and I chaired a table topic on COVID vaccines. And we are committed to an active participation in the upcoming congresses too. In the fall, we're planning to arrange at least 2 more webinars locally, one of which will be on trade secrets. And we will also present the resolutions in the fall meeting as the tradition goes. We tend to send the resolution of their publication to relevant local ministries, patent office, and local industry organizations and other stakeholders. And as to the study questions, it's usually quite easy to find volunteers to the group on each topic. We usually send out information on the possibility to participate in the beginning of the year, and the board then chooses chairpersons for each questions amongst the members. However, even non-members can participate, are very welcome to participate in the study group work. And it's a great way of getting to know AIPPI, but also a great way to get to know colleagues. To young members, I would say that participating in AIPPI's work in both Finland and on an international level can help you boost your relevant professional network, but it's also a great way to learn and to engage in highly interesting discussions on various IP trends and topics. So it's both motivating and also a lot of fun. So if you practice IP in Finland, you're most welcome to join our activities in Finland. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and see you in AIPPI meetings.